Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow bathroom. Let's start drawing. Let's draw the bathroom. I draw a bathroom sink and a faucet, a round mirror, I draw a simple bathtub, then I drew a shower head, looks good. Let's draw 3 hearts here and a rubber duck. On the side, I drew a shower gel. I draw a towel on the wall mount. Finally, I draw a line for the ground. Brilliant! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Now I'm going to color light blue the bathroom sink. Dark blue, red, gray, and I use yellow. Then light blue. For the bathtub, I use the rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink for the shower gel, aquamarine. I colored the rubber duck yellow, gray for the shower head. To color the towel, I will use the rainbow colors again. Red, orange, yellow, light green, dark green, light blue, dark blue, purple, pink, light purple. Then I use pink and cream. Good job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.